So video content is one of the most powerful medium by which you can increase your visibility multifold. 10 content ideas that you can steal right now and increase your visibility by 10x. And this is what I'm going to share with you. Over the last 22 years, let me tell you, out of 22 years, 18 years, I was not doing any personal branding or self-promotion. And this has hurt me badly in my career and in the life as well. And it has not helped me to grow financially. But ever since I have been using this personal branding strategy, especially the content ideas, it has actually increased my value in the market by 10x. And that's what I'm going to share with you. So note down with your pad and the pen. Number one is personal blog. Now, in order to write the blog, you need not be an expert in anything, but you should be able to share the content which is more valuable in nature. It can actually give some insight. It can give something which is valuable to the audience that you are addressing or the people you are addressing. And that will put you in a valuable content creator. Number two is a thought leadership perspective. Now, because of your years of experience, knowledge, skill, and talent, you always have certain hidden insight about the industry trend, emerging technology, or the changes which are coming in the technology as well as in your industry. Now, you sharing that in the public platform will create your thought leadership in the market, and it will put you in the top-notch go-to person as a leader in the market. Number three, which is about the case studies. Every one of us have gone through a lot of experience. Whether we have got the success, whether we have got the failure, doesn't matter. We all have our case studies. We all have our experiences. Can you share your case studies of success and failure and probably show that how did you actually achieve the success? How did you overcome the failure in the market? That will give you the real personal connection to the people. Number four, one of the major content that is always helpful for people to know you and create your visibility in the market is the video content. Like you are looking at my video today and you are connecting to me and you are understanding how you are actually moving from one place to another place, and I am sharing with you that 10 content idea. Now this video, if it is watched by the millions of people around the world, it will actually add value to them. That means they will connect with Rakesh Rana as a person, as well as they will learn from me as well. So video content is one of the most powerful medium by which you can increase your visibility multifold. The fifth and the most important aspect that people love to look at when they are not watching the video is the infographics and the visual content. You can actually set up your quote with your name. If you are taking somebody else's quote, put their name, and probably you can put the insight under that. You can create an infographic which can show the process flow or an industry trend or something which is more valuable to your audience, which can increase your visibility and help them understand how expert you are in the market today. One of the emerging trend in the content creation is to be a podcast, which is a single sensory medium, which is where people can listen to your thought process without even looking at the screen. Now this medium is emerging as one of the most trending, and today if you look at this podcast as one of the medium which is going to be the mainstream medium in the next 10-15 years. And in order to leverage that, you need to start speaking your thoughts and creating a podcast of 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so, which can help people to connect with you personally, as well as help them understand about the value that you are sharing with them. The next one is about the webinar. Now, if you look at the webinar today, a lot of people are sharing a lot of insight, strategies, advices, guidance on the webinar. Now, how can you leverage the webinar as such? The webinar is a medium where you can talk from one to many. and without probably being a pompous or salesy. Now, webinar will give you the leverage in the market where you can share your insight, knowledge, and you can also ask them to take some actions at the end of the webinar. It can also help you to monetize your knowledge, skill, and experience that is more valuable than what you are getting today in the market. One of the most underrated content piece that you can actually do it is the guest contribution. There are a lot of people who are expert in their subject matter. If you can actually bring them in and do the guest contribution in your particular LinkedIn account or any social media account, that will also create a lot of visibility and influence for you. Number 9 is ebooks and the white papers. Now, if you look at this ebook is nothing but the summary of the valuable content that you have put in a structured format, which is a step-by-step content, and it can help you in a very brief time how to probably do certain things, how to go about their career, how to go about certain process, how to probably do some strategic work, and so on and so forth. So ebook and the white papers are one of the most powerful medium that you can use in your content ideas, which can give you a very, very high visibility. Last but not the least is about the personal reflection and story. If you have actually observed this idea so far, I have always shared about my story. That is how I started, how I was laid off. And if you look at my content over a period of time, you will always find that I always share my personal reflection and experiences about the life, career, and what I am coaching to the mid-level professionals over a period of time. Now, this personal reflection and the stories are very powerful medium. This actually connect with you emotionally with your audience, and it will give you a power to influence people, persuade people, and actually make them do the things which you want them to do. And this personal stories and reflection can give you a huge leverage in the market when it comes to the content creation. So these are the 10 ideas. Which one you are using for your content creations and how you are increasing your visibility? Put in the comment below and I'll maybe able to help you with my ideas under your comment as well. If you are still not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that we can share with you more insight in the future. Thank you and God bless.